Yeah, 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 yeah. Uh, when I was 19, I was burned, and I said, "Holy fucking shit! It hurt. It fucking hurt. This is hurt. 30% of me fucking hurts." I was in a UFA for fucking 1 year. 1 year. You fought. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm. This is 1 year. 1 year in the U of fucking A. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lots of, lots of side of my head of hair became really ugly. They are alien. People call me a monster, but it doesn't hurt my feelings anymore. So my last name is Moisa. I really, really, really want to say I'm a monster, but Moster, monster, not Moisa. Fuck Moisa. Just call me burn alien monster. Monster. I wear Linda like a fucking monster. I have a nose like a alien. My lips don't fucking touch. I was in the hospital for 1 fucking year. Uh, my doctor looks like a 12-year-old. But yeah, then every Chinese man looks like 12 or 13 years. He is really too. Why? Why?